Hey there, it's Court Nicole. I'm back with another video and I will be trying on the Ivy Park and Adidas collection. So I would say I kind of had issues getting stuff. It's okay, it is what it is. So I ended up getting a couple of things and I'm gonna unbox them here. I'm not too thrilled. I kind of wish that it would have at least came in an orange box, make me feel like somewhat part of this whole situation. I just wanted to feel like a celebrity for a day, but it's okay. Adidas could have at least put it in an orange box and made people feel just a little bit special. So, okay, where do I even open this thing? Oh, there we go. I would say shipping did not take long. I ordered it on Friday when it launched, and then I got it that next Wednesday, so it didn't take long. So that's a good thing. But I was in line for probably in line for an 30 minutes to an hour. And once I got in, it was you had to hurry up and get stuff because it was going fast. A lot of people got this email and it was from Adidas saying if you downloaded their app, you could shop, be the first to shop for 30 minutes. Well, I didn't pay attention to it because I was just whatever, I'll get in. Wrong move. Okay. So clearly I suck at opening boxes. There we go. The leggings. And I ended up getting a size medium. The leggings were $55. And I was between a small and medium, but I'm a little thick. So I went with the medium. This is what they look like from the box. This is the front. They're really cute. Also got this hat, which I'm not gonna lie, I totally thought I got the maroon colored hat. That's definitely what I clicked on. I definitely didn't put white, but it's kind of grayish, but whatever. I'm sure the red sold out, and yeah. But anyways, this really wanted it because it had a band. So if you have big curly hair, you already know getting all of your hair into a baseball cap is the hardest thing ever. So the fact that she has this huge opening, I'm really excited about because us curly girls need love too. We like to wear caps. Lastly, technically this is not mine, but I did order it. My friend could not get in to get something, so I went back in. Somehow I was getting super lucky with getting in. It was just that it sold out. So yeah, so I'm gonna open her box, and I got her permission to open her box. I'm not gonna try it on because she got the biker shorts, and that's just trifling. I'm not about to try on her shorts. So she got these in a size medium, and these are the biker shorts, and they're so cute because there's mesh on the side. They look really comfortable, but yeah, we will have to let her try those on because I'm not doing it. This is what the leggings look like. Obviously, this bra is not a part of the collection, but it is Adidas, so why not? I really like these. I like that they're high-waisted. They're definitely high-waisted and they're not see-through, so I could definitely go outside with these or even work out in them. The only downside I would say is that for someone with long legs, if you can see, they are high waters almost. They don't go all the way down. So that's the only thing that I would say is a downfall. I'll definitely keep them though, but it's just kind of sucks that they don't go all the way down. So let's put on this hat. Totally thought I got this color, but it is what it is. It's fine. This is what I meant with the band in the back. Love that. That's the best thing ever. So, okay, so let's think this through. Take this out. Gonna have to gather all of my hair. This is not bad. I actually like this color. This is not the color that I planned or that I thought was going to arrive, but I actually really like this color. It's an off-white, and my curls look so cute. They look so cute, and there's all this room in the back, so it's my hair is down, it's my hair is down, but it's it's pulled back and it's really comfortable. So I'm definitely keeping this one. If she restocks, I highly recommend it. Just in a different color maybe. I don't know, because I really would have liked to get the maroon color, but it's okay. I'm gonna stop stressing about it. All right guys, so as you can see, I was only able to get 2 things. I guess you could technically say 3 because I was able to get the biker shorts from my friend. But considering that I can't try those on, why am I mentioning it? Make sure you get the right colored hat. I don't know how I got bamboozled. However, I do like this color because it's very different. It's like a off-white type grayish, I don't know, but it's not white. It's really weird. Like as you can see, like my shirt is white. This is not all white. I don't know how to explain it. If you got something, leave comments below because I want to know what you got. It was like getting Beyonce tickets. Like, you know how you're like constantly refreshing the page or like hoping you get tickets? It was like that. Hopefully she does a relaunch. If she does, that would be awesome. I might try and get the bra that matches the leggings. That was what I wanted after the fact. Like literally the next day I was like, oh dang, I should have got that bra, you know, because I love sports bras. I could have worked out in it. I could have just lounged around the house in it. Thankful for the 2 things that I did get because I know some people literally walked away with socks or they walked away with nothing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye.